Hey tool enthusiasts! Welcome to DIY Tools and Equipment. Today, we're revealing 20 DeWalt tools that changed everything for contractors. If you're looking for the best DeWalt tools that deliver professional results, this is it. This DeWalt power tool has become a must-have tool on every job site, and we're breaking down exactly why contractors can't work without it. From the DeWalt 20-volt Max platform to game-changing features, this DeWalt impact driver technology is revolutionizing how professionals work. Whether you're a contractor or serious DIY enthusiast, you need to see this. Let's dive into why this is the ultimate contractor tool. Without further ado, let's get started. Every professional or tech user needs a tool that combines writing, touchscreen use, and keypad safety. The DeWalt Stylus Pocket Pen is a 3-in-1 mini pen designed for iPad, iPhone, and other touchscreens, featuring a ballpoint with touchscreen tip, keypad tip, and high-capacity ink cartridges. Its nylon tap tip allows touchless operation on ATMS, retail keypads, and high-traffic surfaces, while smooth black and blue ink provides a superior writing experience. Compact at 4 inches tall with a pocket clip and lanyard loop, it fits conveniently in pockets. The removable cap attaches securely to the back for safekeeping, making it ideal for EDC, office, or job site use. When working in tight spaces, having a powerful, compact cutting tool is essential. The DeWalt Reciprocating Saw is a bare tool only designed for maximum versatility and runtime. Its compact 14.5-inch length and 5-pound weight allow easy access between studs and confined areas. Equipped with a keyless 4-position blade clamp, it enables quick blade changes and versatile cutting. The 1 1/8-inch stroke length and variable speed trigger deliver up to 2,900 SPM, ensuring efficient material removal, while the bright LED light illuminates dark work areas. Ideal for demolition, remodeling, or cutting tasks, this saw combines compact design, speed, and convenience in one tool. For precision woodworking and efficient cutting, having a reliable and powerful saw is essential. The DeWalt sliding miter saw features a compound design and a 1,100-watt, 15-amp motor delivering 3,800 watts, 100 revolutions per minute for heavy-duty applications. Its integrated cut line blade positioning system provides adjustment-free cut line indication for enhanced accuracy and visibility. The super-efficient dust collection system captures over 75% of generated dust, keeping work areas cleaner. Tall sliding fences support crown molding up to 7 1/2 inches and base molding up to 6 3/4 inches, while the adjustable stainless steel miter detent plate with 10 positive stops ensures precise cuts. Ideal for dimensional lumber, bevel, and miter cutting, it combines power, accuracy, and versatility. Keeping your workshop clean and safe requires an efficient dust collection solution. The DeWalt Shop Vac Dust Collector is a wet-dry vacuum accessory designed for easy collection of dust and debris. Its funnel design captures more material, while the strong rubber seal maintains powerful suction against walls for hands-free operation. Compact and portable, it's easy to carry and store, and the pivoting 180-degree joint allows greater access to tight spaces. Stiff bristles help agitate surfaces for effective debris removal. Compatible with most shop vacuums and multiple hose sizes, 1 1/4 inches, 1 7/8 inches, 2 1/2 inches, this dust collector optimizes suction and efficiency for cleaner, safer workspaces. For precise trim and finish work, having a reliable cordless fastening tool is essential. The DeWalt Finish Nailer is a 100% battery-powered, angled nailer that eliminates the need for a compressor, hose, or costly gas cartridges. Its brushless motor maximizes runtime and durability, while the tool-free selectable trigger offers sequential or contact actuation modes. Tool-free depth adjustment ensures precise countersinking, and a tool-free jam release quickly clears nail jams. Multifunctional LED lights provide workspace illumination and diagnostics. The inline magazine allows use in tight spaces, and the adjustable belt hook ensures comfortable left or right side attachment, perfect for finished carpentry applications. Accurate alignment and level measurements are essential for professional construction and home projects. The DeWalt Laser Level Kit provides 3x 360-degree laser planes for complete room coverage and accurate readings within 1/8 inch at 30 feet. Its fine adjustment knob ensures precise positioning, while the integrated magnetic pivoting base with 1/4 inch to 20 and 5/8 inch to 11 threads allows tripod use. Designed for an extended runtime of 10 hours, it accommodates larger batteries for even longer operation. The overmolded case and IP54 rating protect against dust, debris, and water, making it highly durable for job site conditions. Perfect for leveling, plumbing, and aligning walls, fixtures, and cabinetry with precision. Keeping workspaces clean and debris-free is crucial for safety and efficiency. The DeWalt STEALTHSONIC wet-dry vacuum delivers ultra-quiet, heavy-duty performance with a powerful 5-peak horsepower motor for both wet and dry cleanup. Its innovative quiet technology provides strong suction while being 50% quieter and offering 3 times longer lifetime than previous models. Featuring a 10-gallon tank and built-in accessory storage bag, it keeps tools organized and reduces bucket emptying. With over 17 feet of cleaning reach, including a 10-foot cord, 7-foot hose, and 2 extension wands, plus 360-degree non-marring casters and quick connect ports, it's perfect for garages, workshops, job sites, and patios. Achieving smooth, precise wood surfaces quickly is essential for any woodworking project. The DeWalt planer features a brushless motor that provides both power and extended runtime, delivering 30,000 cuts per minute for fast material removal. It offers a maximum 2 mm cut depth with a calibrated depth adjustment knob to 1/256th inch. Precision-machined front and back aluminum shoes ensure parallel cuts, while the kickstand prevents gouging when resting the planer. A precision groove in the front shoe enables edge chamfering. The Poly V-drive belt increases durability, and the ergonomic handle reduces fatigue, making it ideal for planing, chamfering, and smoothing wood surfaces efficiently. Precision and power are essential when drilling into masonry, wood, or metal. The DeWalt hammer drill features a high-power, high-efficiency brushless motor delivering up to 57% more runtime than brushed models. It offers 3 speeds and an all-metal transmission for optimized tool-to-task performance, ensuring fast drilling and improved efficiency. The heavy-duty 1/2-inch ratcheting nitro-carburized metal chuck with carbide inserts provides superior bit-gripping strength for tough materials. Its 3-mode LED illuminates dark or confined workspaces, up to 20 times brighter, with a spotlight mode that includes a 20-minute shutoff. Ideal for drilling, driving, and heavy-duty construction applications with precision and reliability. Proper lighting is essential for safe and precise work in any workspace. The DeWalt LED work light is a natural white LED portable light providing accurate color visibility, a long lifespan, and remaining cool to the touch. It delivers 3,000 lumens of brightness with 3 adjustable modes to customize illumination. The telescoping pole extends the light head up to 7 feet, reducing shadows and glare, while the latch mechanism allows quick extension and collapse of the tripod legs. Its tough shroud withstands job site conditions, and the light offers over 11 hours of runtime with weather and dust resistance, perfect for any work environment. Precise heat control is crucial for tasks like stripping paint, bending plastics, or loosening adhesives. The DeWalt heat gun is a cordless tool delivering up to 990 degrees Fahrenheit with 42 minutes of runtime per charge. It features a temperature select slider switch for high or low settings, a lock-on switch for continuous use, and a lock-off trigger to prevent accidental starts. Side air vents reduce overheating risk, while the built-in LED light illuminates dark areas. The kit includes flat and hook nozzle attachments, making this heat gun versatile for a wide range of applications in construction, crafting, and repair projects. Keeping small tools and accessories organized saves time and improves efficiency on any job site or workshop. The DeWalt TSTAK Tool Storage Organizer features double drawers with removable dividers, perfect for organizing small bits and hand tools. Each unit supports a maximum load of 16.5 pounds, and reliable ball-bearing drawer slides ensure smooth operation under heavy-duty use. The bi-material handle provides comfortable lifting, while the stackable design with side latches lets you integrate it with other TSTAK products to customize your storage system. Ideal for keeping hand tools and small parts neatly organized, this unit maximizes workspace efficiency and accessibility. Reliable pipe connections are essential for plumbing professionals who demand speed, strength, and precision on every job. The DeWalt Plumbing Pipe Press Toolkit delivers powerful performance with crimping heads and lightweight jaws designed for 1/2 inch to 1 1/4 inches and up to 4 inches copper pipe connections. It also handles 2-inch black iron pipe, PEX, stainless steel, and carbon steel with ease. Featuring galvanized coated jaws for corrosion protection and Crimp Connect reporting technology, it ensures every press is accurate and traceable. Onboard diagnostics display battery life, successful crimps, and service alerts, while forward and reverse triggers enhance control. Ideal for fast, secure pipe joining in plumbing and HVAC installations. Smooth, even finishes are essential for professional results on wood, metal, and other materials. The DeWalt Belt Sander delivers cordless freedom with a powerful brushless motor providing up to 22% more power for tackling heavy-duty sanding tasks. Designed for efficiency, it offers up to 95% dust collection with the tool-free DeWalt airlock system, keeping your workspace clean and organized. The variable speed trigger and 25-speed selection dial ensure precise control across various applications, while the quick-release belt system allows for fast changes. An overmolded auxiliary handle supports comfortable two-handed operation. Compatible with wireless tool control systems, this cordless belt sander is ideal for professional sanding, surface preparation, and finishing projects. Every mechanic and DIY enthusiast needs reliable sockets that can handle heavy torque and tough fasteners. The DeWalt Impact Driver Socket Set delivers professional-grade strength with 10 metric pieces in 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch drive sizes, complete with impact extensions and drill adapters for versatile use. Each socket features direct torque technology for maximum contact with flat surfaces, reducing wear and rounding. The black oxide coating resists corrosion, while high-visibility laser-etched markings ensure quick size identification. Packed in a removable inner tray for easy organization, this set is built for efficiency and durability. Perfect for automotive repair, construction, and impact tool applications, it guarantees long-lasting, high-performance fastening. When working in tight corners or between studs, having the right tool makes all the difference. The DeWalt angle drill is engineered for precision and flexibility with dual speed ranges 0 to 650 or 0 to 2000 revolutions per minute, delivering optimal control for a wide range of applications. Its compact 4-inch front-to-back length allows access to confined spaces other drills can't reach, while the multi-grip trigger ensures comfort and convenience during extended use. The 3/8 inch ratcheting chuck with a deep hex pocket securely holds 2-inch hex bits for maximum reach. Designed for electrical, plumbing, and framing work, this angle drill provides powerful performance and versatility where space is limited. Cutting pipes by hand can slow you down and cause fatigue during long workdays. The DeWalt Impact PVC cutter is built to make every cut faster, cleaner, and easier. Delivering 6 times faster cuts, it requires 100 times less effort than manual cutters, helping you stay productive and comfortable on the job. With its quick change brace, you can switch from cutting pipe to driving screws in seconds. Designed for multi-brand compatibility, it works with DeWalt 20-volt MAX and other pro-grade 18-volt impact drivers, featuring a full-range cut capacity up to 2 inches on PVC, CPVC, ABS, PEX, and copper, plus 360 degrees rotation for exceptional maneuverability. It's perfect for fast, precise plumbing applications. In tight plumbing spaces, speed and precision can make all the difference. The DeWalt Crimp ring attachment transforms your impact driver into a plumbing tool that delivers 50% faster crimps with less effort. Designed for 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch ring capacity, it allows one-handed operation to maintain full control and crimp placement. With multi-brand compatibility for select DeWalt 20-volt MAX and other 18-volt impact drivers, this attachment features all-metal internal mechanisms for reliability and adjustable torque for various applications. Its 360-degree rotation maximizes accessibility in confined areas, while the quick-change brace lets you go from driving screws to crimping in seconds, perfect for efficient, professional PEX plumbing installations. Cutting through thick PVC pipes shouldn't slow you down. The DeWalt Impact Pipe Cutter delivers power, precision, and durability for demanding jobs. Engineered with a diamond grit cutting wheel that provides 10 times longer life, this PVC cutter ensures 2 times faster cuts than traditional pipe cutters. Its versatile performance handles PVC pipes from 1 1/4 inches to 8 inches, Schedule 40, making it ideal for plumbing and construction work. A permanently fixed blade prevents detachment during operation, while its 1/4 inch hex shank offers universal compatibility with all impact drivers and drills. Designed for professionals, it provides smooth, efficient, and reliable cutting performance on every job site. In any workshop or job site, keeping your workspace clean and your vacuum running efficiently is essential. The DeWalt Dust Separator brings professional-grade performance with cyclone dust collector technology, delivering up to 99.5% efficiency in separating debris before it reaches your wet-dry shop vacuum. Designed for enhanced suction power and high-efficiency debris separation, it handles wood chips, drywall dust, metal shavings, clay, soot, and more. Built from durable, heat-resistant materials, it reduces filter clogging and extends vacuum lifespan, saving time and maintenance costs. Easy to assemble with its DIY-friendly design, this dust separator is perfect for workshops, garages, and job site cleanup, keeping your tools cleaner and your work smoother. There you have it, 20 DeWalt tools that are changing the game for contractors everywhere. This is hands down one of the best DeWalt tools you can add to your arsenal. If you're ready to upgrade your power tools collection, this DeWalt 20-volt MAX innovation is a must-have tool for any serious professional. What DeWalt tools are you using on your job sites? Drop a comment below and let us know. If this DeWalt tool review helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe to DIY Tools and Equipment for more contractor tools, coverage, and power tool reviews. Check out our other DeWalt impact driver comparisons. Thanks for watching.